Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Okay, if you've not watched out my last video, the jumper one, go check it out. This is the Adidas Trefoil Essentials Joggers. Goes with that jumper there. So yeah, let's go ahead and have a look at this. Okay, so it comes in very easy packaging. Sorry about the shakiness, not from my tripod. I explained why in my last video, so if you've not checked it out, check it out. Okay, oh, that's very thick. I like that. Okay, so these were about £45. So this, I got small size. Hopefully it's the right size. I've not really ordered joggers of Adidas before, so hopefully it fits. That's a small as well, so yeah, hopefully it does fit. It's not reflective at all, I don't think. No. Oh, it's really soft. Wow, look at the patch. Look at the stitching inside, guys. That is really thick. Okay, you got big pockets with zips in. That's the main thing I want, pockets with zips, because then it makes these joggers useful. I can put my phone in there, I can put my money and stuff in the other pocket, whatever really. Carry my keys, whatever I need to put in, because some joggers, they don't have any zipped pockets, and I have a tendency to drop shit if I don't have proper pockets when I like sat down and stuff. Just pull out my pocket. So yeah, that's really good of them. So oh yeah, that should fit me. It looks quite long, so yeah, should be good. Should be alright. The waist is 32-inch, which is usually what I get my normal pants, my jeans. So hopefully that should fit me. Unless I got, well, they do stretch anyway. So if I've put a bit of weight on my hips, then it should fit, regardless. Just tape it off at the end, so that's really nice. It'll be like a tight fit, and it's like a slim fit one. Can you tell? So yeah. So there's no actual design on it apart from that one Adidas logo, which is right there to match that one there. So let me put the two outfits together. I won't be wearing it as I don't have my tripod to show you. So yeah. Ooh. And put the two together. There you go. There's the full outfit. It looks like a dead body, but yeah, that's what it is. So that's about it. That's what it looks like. I can't really show you what it looks like because I don't have a tripod. This is my car. So anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.